Hello home bosses, today is another interesting topic, and that is how to create passive income through self-publishing. Now I know that is a topic that we're all interested in, so let's go ahead and dive in. So passive income is one of the biggest draws of self-publishing. Imagine having books that sell on autopilot, generating revenue while you focus on creating new content or even while you're doing other things. That's the beauty of passive income. So in this video, we'll break down how self-publishing can be a reliable stream of passive income, what goes into creating content that sells over time, and some strategies for scaling your self-publishing business to maximize your earnings. First of all, let's talk about what passive income actually means. Passive income is money that you earn with minimal ongoing effort. And I think the emphasis is on ongoing. Once you put in the initial work, like creating a book, that book can continue to sell without having to do much else. Well, that is the theory, but in practice, we all know that it doesn't really work like that. You do have to put in the initial work, and that is not always easy. It does require hard work, and it doesn't mean that once your book is created, you can just leave it there and it will generate sales. That is not the case. It does mean that you have to do more work, like promoting your book or maybe advertising your book. But I think we all understand what they're trying to say by passive income. You create the product, you work at it, and once you have set it all up, it's kind of on autopilot and you can reap the benefits. So I just wanted to make that clear, that passive income is not always as passive as people think, but I do think that it is passive after a while. Once you have created some books, it's pretty much passive if those books start selling and you have done your promotion. So after a while, it does become passive income. And why is self-publishing ideal for passive income? Well, self-publishing is one of the most accessible ways to create passive income. Unlike traditional publishing where you need an agent and a publishing house, with self-publishing, you're in control. Once your book is out there on platforms like Amazon KDP, it can reach readers all over the world and keep generating income. For many people, passive income through self-publishing is a step towards financial freedom. It can start as a side hustle, but with the right strategies, it has the potential to become a substantial source of income. And that is what happened to me. I started this as a side hustle. I gave myself a year for it to work, and now it not only supports myself, but it supports my husband. And we both work at this, and it has indeed become a source of passive income. And like I always say, if I can do it, you can do it too. So this is what I'm here to help you with. And to make passive income with self-publishing, you'll want to create books with long-lasting appeal. This means choosing evergreen topics, those that people are always interested in, regardless of trends or season. For example, gratitude journals, low-content planners, and coloring books for relaxation have consistent demand year-round. And a seasonal book would be something that you create specifically for Christmas, for example, or for Halloween, that kind of thing. So evergreen is for all year round, and seasonal books are just for a specific season or specific holiday. Once you've chosen your topic, focus on creating high quality books. And I keep saying that, but it's so important. A well-designed cover, clear layout, and valuable content will make your book stand out and keep people coming back. Remember that the goal is to create something that people genuinely enjoy using or find helpful. To make sure people can find your book, you'll want to optimize your title, subtitle, and keywords. Think about what people are typing into Amazon when they're looking for a book like yours. Tools like the Self-Publishing Titans or Publisher Rocket can help you find high-demand keywords, which can make a huge difference in how visible your book is. Here is an example. Let's say you're creating a gratitude journal. Instead of just titling it Gratitude Journal, which I see quite often, people just use that as a title, you could instead use a keyword-rich title, like Daily Gratitude Journal for Busy Women. And then the subtitle would be A Simple Way to Boost Positivity. This not only describes the book, but it also includes the terms that people are searching for. So how do you scale your self-publishing business? First of all, build a catalog of books. To maximize your passive income, you'll want to build a catalog of books. That means having several books rather than relying on just one of them. Think of each book as an income stream. The more books you have out there, the more opportunities you have to earn. But always remember that quality is more important than quantity. But quantity is important too, because if you create quality books, then the more quality books you have, the better. So what is an example of a series approach? For instance, if you create a popular gratitude journal, you might consider making different versions. A gratitude journal for teens, a gratitude journal for busy mums, or even a guided journal for self-reflection. By diversifying within your niche, you're reaching more audiences while still building on your initial success. And that is what I always teach in branding for your books. You can create a series, not in the sense that Amazon creates series, because you can't create series for low content books, but you can create a series in terms of creating similar books that people know you are creating, they like your brand, and they will then buy more of your books. So think of it as having one brand that creates the same type of books, but just different versions of it. And once you've built a core catalog, you might want to try out other related niches. If you're doing well with journals, consider branching out into planners, workbooks, or even puzzle books. The key is to find what works for you and expand strategically. Take advantage of feedback and reviews on your book. Readers will often share what they love and what they'd like more of, which is valuable insight for future books. This can help you improve your next books and ensure you meet readers' expectations. And that is also true for negative reviews. If you receive any negative reviews, think about what you can improve in your books. So sometimes negative reviews are not something that you can avoid, and also don't dwell on it. Don't think about too much about your negative review. Just try and find something in that you can then apply to your books to improve them. So here are some strategies for maximizing passive income. To give your books a boost, consider running Amazon ads. Ads can help your book gain visibility, especially in the beginning, and attract new readers. Start with a very small budget and monitor your ads closely, adjusting as needed based on what's working. Amazon ads are a way you can lose money very quickly if you're not careful. So always keep an eye on your ads. And like I said, start with a very small budget and just try out different things. It takes a while to get ads to work, and that means that you are losing some money at the beginning, but if you keep your budget small and you only spend what you can afford to lose, that should help you. But of course, there are also ways you can promote your books that is without running ads, and we'll talk about that later. And the other thing you can do is to encourage reviews for social proof. Getting reviews is important for long-term success, as it builds trust with new readers. Include a call to action in your book, politely asking readers to leave a review if they enjoyed it. Positive reviews help boost your book's ranking and make it more likely to be recommended by Amazon. The other thing you can do is build a following over time. If you're serious about scaling, consider building an audience outside of Amazon. You could start an email list, a blog, or even social media pages where you share valuable content related to your books. This gives you a way to market directly to your readers whenever you release a new book. And it also means this is a free way to promote your books without spending on ads. So it's definitely something you should consider when you're building a brand. And start a Facebook page or Twitter account or an Instagram page for your books. So the exciting part about self-publishing for passive income is that you are in control. You're creating books that, with the right strategies, can generate revenue for years to come. It takes some upfront work and consistency, but the payoff can be very well worth it. Remember that each book you create has the potential to be an income stream. Self-publishing allows you to build a business at your own pace and scale it as much as you like, whether you're just starting out or looking to expand. The key is consistency, quality, and smart strategy. So if you're ready to dive into the world of self-publishing, focus on creating valuable books, put in the upfront effort, and let your work start working for you. It's one of the most rewarding ways to create passive income and move closer to financial freedom. And if you haven't published your books yet, I have a playlist that shows you exactly how to upload your first notebook on Amazon KDP. I think that is one of the easiest ways to start, and I leave the link under this video. It's a YouTube playlist, so it's completely free for you to watch, and it's a way in that is not too difficult. So if you want to find out more, click on the link and watch the playlist. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that the strategies mentioned help you to create your own passive income stream. And if you found this video helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe to receive more of these type of videos that can help you in your passive income stream creation. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.